So for today's video, I bring you guys these summer inspired nails. I hope you guys like them. Let's get started with this video. I'm starting with this gel polish here, and I'm going to be adding one coat. So what I'm going to be doing with this polish, I'm just going to be adding it to half of my nails long ways. Alright, I went ahead and cured them for 60 seconds, making sure they were completely cured. Now I'm going in with this regular polish here, and I'm going to be adding it to the side that was clear. Alright guys, so they are looking like this so far. Now I'm going to be going in with two polishes, going in with this yellow and this reddish orangish polish here, and I'm going to be creating two flowers on each of my nails. So once I'm done creating the flowers, I'm going to go in with this glitter polish, and I'm going to be adding it to the opposite side. Alright, and they are looking like this. And now I'm going to go in with this glitter gold polish here. I'm going to be adding this between both of the colors. Okay, and I decided to add a little bit of rhinestones on these nails, so I'm going to be adding two on each of the nails, and then just one big rhinestone on the thumbnail. And this is how they turned out, guys. I hope you guys like them. I absolutely love them. I think they're perfect for summer. Even for a Hawaiian party, they would be perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.